Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Monday to all. Okay, my topic is pinned. Today we're gonna do the kidney liver flush drink. I am on day 29. Woo! Day 29, and I'm really excited because when I first started this drink, let me fix Facebook. When I first started, if I would stop scratching my eyes, it makes it look crazy on video. Okay, so when I first started this drink, I was on day 3 of my cycle. And I have fibroids, so those of you that struggle with fibroids or very, 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 very heavy cycle during the month, good morning, you know how hard it is to kind of just get through a day without any mishaps. So when I started this drink, I was on day 3 of my cycle, and automatically I realized that the detox drink, cut my cycle down. So my cycle was not as heavy. So I thought it was kind of weird because I thought, okay, why would this detox drink affect my cycle? For the rest of my cycle was a normal cycle. It was not extra heavy, and my cycle ended in 7 days versus the previous month. Some days it's 16, some days it's 10, some days it's 7, and then something pops up in the middle. So I was looking forward to my next cycle to assess a few things, to see if the cycle would be as heavy as it usually is, and to see if the amount of days is my normal 7 days. So I'm definitely going to keep track of that because I know a lot of women struggle with heavy cycles. You guys are having to change and wear purple always and just kind of do all this extra stuff because your cycle is so heavy. So I'm going to go ahead and share this journey with you guys. For some people, it's a little TMI, but for me, it's like, if this drink is helping with my cycle, why not share it? Because a lot of us struggle with heavy cycles, especially if you had a tubal ligation. So I will share that with you guys. Right now, I'm going to start making the claws drink. Let me just make mine. And what? I just bought this water filter thing, and it's not working right. So I need to look into buying a new one. So I go ahead and pour my filtered water into the mason jar. Some has asked about boiling water and using it. If you're gonna do that, make sure the water is cool before you add it in the drink. Eating plant-based really helps with long, heavy cycles. Hi, good morning, Millie. I did plant-based for 3 years, but for me, I did it the wrong way. What I did is I stopped with meat, but then I went and ate all the substitute meats, which for my thyroid, it really messed it up. So this was the second time I tried to do like a healthy regimen and did it wrong. So instead of eating chicken, I ate the vegan chicken. Instead of eating steak, I ate the vegan steak. I ate the vegan version of everything, and I was having too much soy. So that really jacked up my system. So I went back to eating meat. At some point, I'd love to be at least 95% vegan and not have so much meat intake. But I also know when I do that, I have to be prepared to eat a lot of fruits and vegetables and quinoa and all that stuff. And I haven't been good on cooking enough to eat for a plant-based diet. So that's something I will have to look into. And I'm sure it really does help too. So C for cayenne pepper. L for lemon. C helps to exfoliate your system. C helps with circulation. If for any reason you are allergic to cayenne pepper, you can substitute the cayenne pepper for cinnamon. Again, if you're allergic to cayenne pepper, substitute it for cinnamon. L for lemon, half a lemon. A for apple cider vinegar. Be sure you're drinking this drink 30 minutes before you brush your teeth, so you do not affect the enamel of your teeth over time. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And if you're on this detox drink, let me know how you're doing. Good morning, Corinne. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Honey or agave, 1 tablespoon. The apple cider vinegar helps with circulation. The honey just gives it a sweet sensation. You can add it, you can skip it. And E for extra virgin olive oil, which helps with smooth elimination. And that's also 1 tablespoon. And this is the basic Claus drink, which is a kidney liver flush. And you will feel the effects depending on how toxic your system is. You will feel the effects of being tired and sluggish the first few days. Go ahead and give yourself time to rejuvenate. Make sure you're taking naps when your body asks for it so that you can release the toxins faster, and be sure that you're hydrating properly. Tomorrow, the last topic was the effects of water on the body. I'm gonna go ahead and do some research, so either tomorrow or Wednesday, I'm talking about the benefits of honey and agave for your body, skin, and hair. So you know I've been planning over the last few weeks to just break down each ingredient and share how it's been beneficial for your body, because I don't want you just drinking something and you don't know the benefits of that ingredient to your body. It's good to know what you're intaking. So I'm gonna go ahead and close up this live stream. I just wanted to show you guys me making the drink. This is for my daughter. I'm gonna make mine. You know, with mine, I skip the honey, I add diatomaceous earth, and I add turmeric. So I'll be making my drink, which will consist of cayenne, lemon, apple cider vinegar, water, extra virgin olive oil, diatomaceous earth, and turmeric. I did not make my tea of ginger, garlic, thyme, cloves, and cinnamon, but I need to do that this week. I definitely want to make that tea at least once or twice a week to infuse it with this drink to add all the extra properties to my detox. So again, tomorrow or Wednesday, I'll talk about the benefits of honey and agave for your body, skin, and hair. Also tonight, we're doing our live stream at 7 p.m. Eastern, Detox the Hair. So definitely you don't want to miss out on that. And my personal detox journey, I have each video slowly uploading to YouTube. So I believe we're at maybe day 16 on YouTube. So you definitely want to subscribe to my channel, so each time the videos pop up, you have a chance to watch them. On my videos, I have descriptions of what I've gone through today. If my eating threw me off, I give a little brief description on that. And you can sign up for my emails by clicking the link in the bio and subscribing for my emails. So either way, I'm always sharing information with you. But when it comes to this journey and getting the most out of what I'm going through, it will be on YouTube through the YouTube channels. And guys, take a minute, share it with your friends, share it with your family, because all of us, it doesn't matter your status, your income, where you live, or who you know, we all need to detox some part of our body. If it's not our mind, it's our body or skin or hair. We all need to be detoxed in some way, somehow. So I know if you share my information with others, there's going to be nuggets and aha moments that's going to help them push through the next level. And one thing I want to talk about, if anybody want to join me on this journey, I was just going to do it, but I think I should share it with you guys. So if you want to do it with me, we can prepare ahead of time. I'm going to do a 7-day juice feast. So that is where you drink juice, veggies, and fruits and vegetables for 7 days straight. You don't eat anything else. It's just strictly fruits and vegetables. And I'm actually going to be ordering my juicer hopefully this week or next week so that I can start this juice cleanse, because I want to take my body to the next level. I want to take my cleanse to the next level. I've heard how juicing helps to deal with emotional blockage. I'm looking forward to that. I'm really looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to see how juicing straight without eating is going to help kind of dig deep into maybe some stuff that I've pushed down, but yet still affects me, especially being an emotional eater. So I'm looking forward to seeing how this is going to cleanse my body, and the fact that I want to do it and I feel so pushed to do it. I know it's not only going to be a blessing to me, but it's going to be a blessing to you guys, because definitely I'm going to share that journey and let you guys know step by step what I'm going through. So I look forward to starting that maybe in the next week or next 2 weeks, hopefully. Next 2 weeks, I need to order my juicer. Okay, guys, always remember, feed your skin from the inside and out so that you can radiate, you can shine, you can feel good, and you can look good. Thank you, guys. You have a blessed and amazing Monday. Bye.